hindi naman masama ang loob ko sa ginawa nila sa paninira sa pangalan ko eh. Masama ang loob ko dahil sa ginawa nila sa bayan.
Kung sabi mo Friday, how was it po?
Last Friday, ano nga ba yung pinag-usapan namin? Nakalimutan ko na.
But does he sound well? Does he sound okay?
Hindi ko na maalala. Lately, he's been distressed about the flood control talk. So, I'll try to avoid that later.
What is he distressed about that? Why is he distressed about that?
Kasi, sasabihin lang naman kasi ni PRD na sinabi ko na si BBM ay hindi marunong, he's a weak leader, and he doesn't know anything at all about governance. So,
are you distressed the same way as he is about the flood control issues?
oh yes, ma'am, of course. Sinabi ko na yan noon, hindi naman masama ang loob ko sa ginawa nila sa paninira sa pangalan ko eh. Masama ang loob ko dahil sa ginawa nila sa bayan.